What's interesting is you might remember me showing you this chart, and this chart was from quite a while ago. Now, this is good education of how we're using the matrix, how I'm not just using quantitative, but I'm using tactical, I'm using fundamentals, I'm using everything. But I'm going to look at quantitative first. And the first thing I noticed here is number one, man, that weekly is really overextended. So I'm going to pay attention to the daily. When the daily flips up, and we're going to get a flip up because you know why? We had a bunch of daily divergence, bullish divergence. And what has happened now? Well, it took a couple weeks, but now that's flipped up. And now we see the weekly even more overextended. Hey, the count was looking up for a correction. But you know what Jeffrey's done? He's flipped the count now, and now he's positive. He's looking, this operative is looking up. And so we had good energy builds the whole time before the COT reports went dark. But let's take a look at why we did this trade. All those reasons and more. We were close to a bottom, and we had a very small risk. And this could be a bigger move, a much bigger move if we see that weekly flip. And I think that's where we're headed, folks. We're looking at a weekly flip. Here's Jeffrey's counts. You can see this is what we call a base channel, up in 1, down in 2. You draw the base channel off of that, and we're starting to peek out of that base channel a little bit here. Tuck back in a little bit more here. Probably this next time we'll sit on top of that upper boundary of the base channel, and up we go. Hey, we're going to start turning that weekly, more pressure on it, more pressure, and finally turn that trend higher. And then we get a much bigger move. Love our spec position for higher, and we did it through combining these analyses. And that's what you got to get. The IMA video and IMA report is all about integrated market analysis. That's what IMA stands for, integrated market analysis. And it is working, folks. We're getting better at this all the time, no question about it.